Viewer discretion advised.
Hey YouTube, Big D here. Time to review Supernatural Season 10, Episode 4, titled Paper Moon. Should take me less than a minute to recap the whole episode. This is a spoiler review. If you have not seen it, go to the cw.com/supernatural. Watch the full episode there, man. And then I'll just tell you my thoughts on it, man. Pros and cons, final score. So, this is a werewolf episode where a werewolf attacks in the beginning. Girl's name is Kate, which I haven't seen season 8 and 9, so I don't know where Kate comes in, if she's previously in here. She escapes. We hear a little bit about Lester. Kate's sister is named Tasha, and they fight. The sister did the killing of all the werewolf killings around the whole city in Washington. Kate tells the story about Tasha, how she was in a car accident and how she turned her into a werewolf, and basically they go after Tasha. Brandon and Travis are like her two friends that are also werewolves, and Kate kills Tasha while Sam and Dean kill Travis and Brandon. So at the end, Kate basically escapes, and Kate is like, I hope never to cross you and Sam and Dean again, basically. So basically that's the episode. So now pros to cons, man. It's kind of a filler episode. It's basically a filler episode, nothing really done. But cons, man. This episode, I'm a huge, not huge, I don't own everything of Supernatural, but I'd like to, but I'm a fan of Supernatural, and I don't think this episode was necessary, and they've done so many episodes where it's not necessary at all. This episode does not do anything for Season 10, and it's kind of a shame that next week is the 200th, or 2 weeks the 200th episode, and it's kind of just doing this. It's like they don't have nothing to do anymore. The past 3 weeks they were focusing on Demon or Dean as a demon and everything. Got rid of that, but keep the story going with Castiel and Crowley and Castiel. Do all that, man, but don't just run off to something else. We don't care about werewolves. Because honestly, werewolves, True Blood has better werewolves than this with Alcide. True Blood's way better with werewolves than vampires, let's just be honest. Suck it. This episode's slow. 80% of it is slow, honestly. 80 to 85% of it's slow. The middle part bored me as hell. There's like a 5-minute scene where they're in the car and Sasha's in the back. No, Kate's in the back, and they're just talking and talking. It's kind of dragging on in a way. Again, filler episode. There was no progression in here. They did not have Castiel or Crowley in here, so it was kind of boring. It was one of those where it was like, man, you did good the past 3 weeks, and now you just stopped. Why are you doing this to us, man? The only thing of a pro that I liked about it is the dialogue. Now, there was some goofy dialogue in here, but overall, the arc of the dialogue is pretty good for what we've seen. But overall, it's kind of a disappointing episode. It really is. And I'm going to end up giving it, just because I'm nice, a C+. Secondarily, a C-. But overall, in my heart, I'm just going to want to give it an F. Because I don't want to watch this episode again. It's one of those where you could skip it. You could have missed it. You didn't miss nothing. No progression. It's one of those where they're driving off at the end in the car saying, oh, yeah, Sammy. And then it's just, and then it ends. So, yeah. The past 3 episodes, the first 3 were amazing. This one was like, so hopefully the next episode, which there is no Supernatural next week. It is November 11th, which the Flash returns that day also. So, yeah. Without sugarcoating it, this episode sucked horribly. I didn't like it. So, C+, man. I'm just saying it the way it is. It hurts me to say that, too. I thought it was going great, but it's just one bump in the road. Who cares? The 200th episode should look pretty good. So, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, every Wednesdays I review Arrow and American Horror Story Free Show. May the Spock be with you. Always gotta come up with a new catchphrase. Anyway. Supernatural.